Hey there, this is Kai from 𝗃𝗏. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Atom app, an all-encompassing Cardano ecosystem monitor for your phone. This app is designed to help you track all your Cardano staking rewards, wallets, and funds from a single cohesive interface. If you enjoy our content and want to keep up with future updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment, or consider delegating your ADA to 𝗃𝗏. When you open the app, you'll land on the home screen. The price section displays the current price of ADA in your preferred currency, along with the daily percentage changes for Bitcoin and ADA. For ADA, it also shows the current market cap and daily volume. There's an epoch clock, and if you tap on the number, it will toggle additional info. In the chart section, you can easily switch between daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly charts. It's very user-friendly and convenient. Below that, you'll see a quick overview of all your added wallets, complete with names and icons to help you distinguish them easily. At the bottom, you'll find the epoch details again. One of the key features of the Atom app is the ability to add and manage multiple wallets at once. Go to the Wallet section and click on the plus icon. You can add a wallet using an ADA handle, scanning a QR code, or simply typing or pasting an ADA address. Click on the three dots to set its type. You can choose from a long list of existing wallet icons, set a wallet name, or delete it. Selecting a wallet icon helps you visually tell them apart. Inside the wallet, you'll find additional information. Clicking on the QR code icon will open a menu displaying the wallet's QR code, the address, and the stake key. Clicking on the assets will show every asset contained in that wallet. If you hold many tokens, you can scroll through the list or search for a specific token to display more details. If the wallet is already delegating to a stake pool, the Atom app displays all the ADA rewards received by that wallet. The stake pool section shows the name and ticker of the current stake pool. You can quickly access the pool's website if there is one. My favorite feature is the rewards and ROI calculator. Here you can specify your staking amount, adjust the ADA price, and even choose the epoch recency, which indicates pool performance based on selected epochs. Play around with the numbers to see the average rewards and combined average fees for that SPO. When you're new to the Cardano ecosystem, choosing which SPOs to support can be challenging. The Atom app features a selection of 21 stake pools operated by skilled individuals with various missions dedicated to decentralization. Of course, we'd be thrilled if you chose to support our pool 𝗃𝗏. With the recent update, the Atom app now offers a compare feature. Click the icon and select two pools to compare their metrics, helping you maximize your rewards. If you're enjoying the app so far, consider investing a small yearly amount to enable premium features and support the creator. For just $9.99 per year, you can unlock up to 10 wallets, home screen widgets, tokenomics, a pool picker, and see all the current retiring pools. Thanks for joining me today to learn about Atom app awesome features. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on X for the latest news about Cardano and our pool. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server.